Cameroon's most talented and outstanding musician, Mr. Leo, serves us a surprise release as he gives us a touch, his own touch, of Master KG's hit song, Jerusalema, which comes as a surprise to all his fans. Mr. Leo, like we know him, he has been one of those outstanding artists in Cameroon who has never failed his fans when it comes to the music industry. Every of his fans have been waiting so badly for the release of this his touch of Jerusalema, done for us by Master KG, which was a hit song not only in Cameroon, in Africa, and world at large. Still in the nation, we move down straight to Kosi and Falz down there in Nigeria, while all the banter about Nigerian music in Cameroon and a reduction of the consumption of Nigerian music from 80% to 20%, now there is a talk around social media saying that just not long ago, the news or the reactions have not died down. Kosi is found in Nigeria, stepping up his game and making strides in Nigeria and promoting himself by preparing for a video shoot and a collabo with Nigerian rapper Falz. Now, the question is, what now happens to the fans of Cameroon Music Entertainment about the reduction of Nigerian music in Cameroon from 80% to 20%? We still find such collabos like Tenny, not recently, she left Cameroon. We know about the Naira Marley saga. We know about all the incidences that occurred not just long ago, just within February. And now Kosi is found in Lagos, living La Vida Loca and preparing for his video shoot collabo with rapper Falz. And still in Nigeria, we move to AY, the comedian who endorses and supports talented Cameroon singer E Prince, an official on his song Holy Water. AY, like we know him, is the most renowned comedian in Nigeria, and he sends a hand of support to Cameroon artist E Prince on his project or his song Holy Water. So now we find Nigerians extending their hands to help not only Cameroonians but African and African artists. Nigerians, like not long ago, Flavor on an interview made it clear that he was not happy with the ban of other foreign music in Nigeria and emphasizes on the fact that Nigeria is supposed to circulate the playing or the enjoyment of other foreign artists and their songs. Likewise, Cameroon is not excluded, and any other African country like artists like Tanzanians, and not forgetting Diamonds Platinum. Nigeria and Cameroon, like just previously, we've seen a lot of bond between the two industries. So the question is, what happens next? Are Cameroonians still going to maintain the 80% to 20% consumption of Nigerian music, or because of all these collabos and hand of support from comedian AY is going to bring down or to reduce this problem between Nigerian entertainment industry and Cameroon? Still with Kosi, we say congratulations to Kosi and Coco Ajanti as their song Kale Song hits 8 million views on YouTube. Kale Song, like we know, has been one of those recent songs that everyone has danced to. And till date, if you think about any request show, that is any show that has to do with music, people have to request a lot of Kale Song. People want to dance to this music video. And just not long ago, Kosi and Coco Ajanti, their song Kale Song, hits 8 million views on YouTube. We say a very big congratulations to Kosi and Coco Ajanti, and we say that indeed, hard work pays. Still in the nation, High Man General Salatiel announces the coming of Ghanaian superstar Stonebwoy to Cameroon for the video shoot of the song Warrior with Mr. Leo on Africa Represented album. The video shoot will take place in Cameroon soon, and revealed this on a radio interview with Bonus on Sweet FM. High Man General, like we call him, Salatiel Salas, has been topping his game and making strides with collabo. He collaborated with Beyonce on her Lions King album. And not forgetting, just not long ago, he released a song with Rochelle, A Good Girl, and not forgetting his other songs like Ayaga Yaga and more other songs by Salatiel. We say, High Man General, keep going, my brother. You're making 237 really proud. Still in Cameroon entertainment, Tizi Panchak has told a fan of his to go get a Grammy Award for himself.